The internet has a wider range of users, and everyone is on the internet every day in and day out. So there are a whole lot of things, scammers. It consists of different kind of people, but someone may want to go what invisible, so that whatever that he or she does, the scammers or hackers may not get what access to him. So the question may be like, how can I go invisible online? And the answer is yes or no. In this video, I'm going to show you some 4 layers that will help you do that. That will help you do that. But remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes. Please don't use it on anyone. I go by the name Koscyber, the boy for cyber security. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also, don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get more video like this. For now, let's get started with the video on how to become invisible online. So first of all, let's look at the 4 layers that we are talking about. We have become hard to track, become hard to hack, create multiple email accounts, and the last one, which is proxy, service. So let's pick it one by one and break it down. Let me pick it one by one and break it down for you. First of all, let's pick become hard to track. Before you can become hard to track on the internet, then you have to do this. Stop posting too much of yourself, or stop posting things that will give hackers access to you, to your account. Like posting too much of your private life on the internet, posting your date of birth, posting your certificate, which is very, very dangerous, posting your contact, your house address. It gives scammers or hackers the privilege to get any access of you. If you bought something online and you don't want anyone to know your location, please give them the post office address. They will send the thing to the post office. Then the post office people will do what? Will send it to your house address, which is very, very advisable, and it prevents hackers from tracking your location or from tracking you. And also, when browsing the internet, we have something called the Tor browser, which is also known as the Onion router. So if you are using the Onion router, it has a huge lot of layers, and it prevents your identity. It hides your identity. And someone may say, how can I use the Onion router? I don't know anything called Onion router. Wait, I have this one for you. You can use DuckDuckGo, Brave, Firefox, and the others. And sometimes it is very, very good to what? To browse in incognito, which is also good, which is hide 67% of your identity from hackers and the others. So let's go to the number 2, which is become hard to track. I always say this thing. Our password is the gateway for every hacker. If a hacker wants your bank account, the hacker needs your password, your Facebook account, your password, your everything, your password. So the password is the major key that everyone needs to look out for. So how do I get a strong password and a unique password? Make sure you have at least 25 characters. If you don't have 25 characters, get at least like 20 or anything, 15 to 20 characters. It may be good. And I'm going to show you how you can get your simplest password at ease. So we have these password managers like Dashlane that help you to create a strong and save your password, so that if in case you remember it and you get to Dashlane, you what? Get it. And this one also, KPassword, is an extension in Chrome. You can add it to your Chrome browser, and it will help you to keep your what? Your password what? Safe, and it will get you strong password. Let's say I want to create a password for my bank account and also my Facebook account. So in the summary form, I have password for bank account. Password for bank account. So we have the capital PW. Let me break it in this form. Use the abbreviation of this simple ways. Like you see, we have password, which is PWRD, and account, which is ACCT. So let's use this one to create a password, and the thing is password for bank account. So PWRD, capital PWRD, and the letter 4 because it stands for password 4. So and the letter 4 and the W and sorry and the ACCT, which is account combined. Then you bring a hyphen and the dollar sign, $2 will give you what? Password for your bank account. And this is very, very simple and super easy. Same thing apply if you want to create your password for your Facebook account. I'm giving you this idea so that you can know how to create a password with a simple and easy to what to remember. So let's say we have the same thing, password for a Facebook account, PWRD, RD, and the letter 4, and the number 4, and account ACCT, okay, plus or minus, then capital F and B. This is very, very simple password, and you can remember it at ease. So let's look at the number 3, which is creating a multiple email account. How do I get a multiple email account? You can create unlimited email accounts because Gmail have the access to for you to create multiple of mail account for even one single number, and it is very, very, very good. Even let me go straight to this one before I get into the other one. You need to create a password for your family. You need to create an email account for your family, your product, your let's say your company, your website, everything that you do. You have to get a separate email for them to serve a separate what purposes. Because if you use one email for your entire activity, your life activity, and it gets hacked, bro, you are going to be in the doom or you are going to cry. But when you have separate email account for separate activities, when one account is hacked, you have the others that will hold your back and wipe your tears. Yes, and wipe your tears. So make sure you use what different email account for different purposes, and one strong email account provider that is good is Proton Mail, and the others some of the secured mails that it is very, very difficult for a scammer or a hacker to get access to it. Let's go to the last one, which is the number 4, the proxy service. Proxy server is let's say it's an intermediate server that retrieves data from the internet, such as the web page, on behalf of the user. Proxy servers protect your identity and also protect you from malicious attack, and it hide your identity. So these are the layers that you need to follow to go offline. If you want to go to invisible online, that one is something huge. If you want to go to invisible online for the FBI and the other military staffs to not to see you, please, is insane. And I go by the name Koscyber, and this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more video like this.